Have you set goals for 2020? I'm Shah from Fairway Mortgage, and I would love to invite you to help make those 2020 goals a reality. If you have not set them, we can help you set them. If you have set them, then you absolutely, positively must join me. We're going to talk about implementing a strategy, a plan to make sure that those goals actually get achieved and realized. What last thing you want is on December 31st, when you're looking over the year, to say you didn't hit your goals and you have to basically set the same goals. We don't want that for you. I want for you to be able to close out this year and say, yes, I did it. I hit my goals. Now what bigger goals am I going to set in the new year? So if that's the way that you want to end your year, if you think ahead, then you must absolutely join us. I've invested in this program that I did with my coach. It's called Implementor 10X. We are going to have you come in with a workshop. I'm sponsoring you to be a part of this as my guest, because I just believe in this so much, and I would love to see you achieve the same success with it. So come join us. You must RSVP, because I do have to, as I said, I am sponsoring a seat for you, and I need to make some plans in advance if you're going to be joining us. Absolutely love for you to join us so you can actualize your goals and make them a reality at the end of this year. Shah here with Fairway Mortgage. I hope to see you. Have a great day, and make sure you register. Bye.